Hey there everybody, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to animate your photo so it can be fun while you're like using it for the videos or the slideshow or any of your presentation. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So you have to go to the left section first. Let's go to the uploads and let's say I want to choose this photo over here. This photo over here, and in order to animate this you can simply tap in the photo itself and go to the top section. You can see the option of flip, transparency, and here's the option of animate. Simply tap in there and there are some new feature. Let's use this. It says brush, so these are all the effects you can choose according to your preference, and these are the rights. These are the like basic ones. Pop up, it says wipe, it says blur. So I want to use the new feature, so let's use this feature of all right, let's use this feature of ink. So you can also choose between whether you want it to use this effect while on the beginning. If beginning, then you can simply tap in on enter. If you want this animation to happen while it's on the exit, you can simply tap on the exit, or if you want both, then you can simply tap both. I'm tapping both. So yeah, simply this is how you use animation in photos. And yeah, you can also choose, okay, let's say I want to choose another photo as well. Here, let's use this as well. For this, let's use like that. So as you can see how this different photos have like different animation, you can like play with it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.